Hello. In this video, I will show you how to activate Hulu with Disney Plus. So it's a very easy process. So firstly, what you would do is just simply open your web browser, then open Hulu. Now, whenever you're going to get the plan, you will have to get the Hulu plus Disney plan. So as you can see, this is the one. Or if you scroll down, you can just simply come to the plan section right over here. And then all you will do is just simply go to the Disney bundle pack and then choose any one of these packs right over here. So depending on your budget, this will choose any one of them, and down below you will be able to see what type of features you will be getting in each of the bundles. So all you have to do is simply click on any one of the pack and make sure when you will be doing the payment process, you should be able to see Hulu, Disney Plus and all the other channels that is available, as you can see right over here. So now all you have to do is just simply complete the payment process and then you will be good to go. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.